Welcome to this video on the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help to reprogram your subconscious mind and bring your desires into reality. This video is all about helping you craft affirmations that truly resonate with your inner being and empower you to manifest your dreams. We'll be exploring 5 essential tips to create affirmations that are powerful and effective. Get ready to unlock the potential of your subconscious mind. The first tip for crafting powerful affirmations is to use the present tense. Instead of saying, "I will be healthy," say, "I am healthy." This may seem like a subtle difference, but it's actually a powerful shift in mindset. By stating your desired outcome as if it's already happening, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between the past, present, and future, so when you say, "I am healthy," you're planting a seed of belief that your subconscious can begin to manifest. This is the power of the present tense. The second tip is to be positive and specific with your affirmations. Your subconscious mind doesn't understand negatives, so instead of saying, "I am not stressed," try, "I am calm and peaceful." Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Also, get specific with your affirmations. Instead of saying, "I am successful," be more specific, like, "I am successful in my business and making a comfortable living." The more detailed you are, the clearer the message to your subconscious and the more powerful the impact. The third tip is to make your affirmations personal. Don't just use generic affirmations that you find online or in a book. Tailor your affirmations to your own specific goals and desires. Use language that resonates with you and feels authentic. The more personal your affirmations are, the more powerful they will be. Your subconscious mind is more likely to respond to affirmations that feel like they are coming from you rather than something you just memorized. Think about your dreams and aspirations and craft affirmations that reflect your unique journey. The fourth tip is to connect with the emotions. As you repeat your affirmations, visualize your desired outcome and really feel the emotions you would experience if it were already a reality. Imagine the joy, the gratitude, the sense of accomplishment. Emotions are a powerful energy force, and when you connect with the emotions of your desired outcome, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind. This creates a stronger connection between your affirmations and your subconscious, increasing the chances of manifesting your desires. The final tip, and perhaps the most important, is consistency. The magic of affirmations lies in repetition. Make time each day to repeat your affirmations, preferably in a quiet space where you can focus and really connect with the words. You can repeat them in the morning, before bed, or any time that feels right for you. The key is to be consistent. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more deeply they will be imprinted on your subconscious mind. Consistency is essential for manifesting your desires and achieving your full potential.